did a bit of work on Excavator, and well, this right here is new. It's supposed to replicate well, the road wheels. What are they called? If you look at pictures of tanks, you'll see that there's a lot of wheel geary things. Because there's no road wheels here, of course, Hasbro. But this is a simulation of it. Now, hold on. This is for when her yes, Excavator is a she. Her drilling, her driller arms are all collapsed down inside of her. That just sounded wrong. Sorry. And this is for when her, well, you can't see it. Oh, there you can see it, I think. Focus. Thank you. When her driller arms are, well, outside of her. So, yeah. I'll come up with a backstory for her sooner or later, but this is just aesthetic look and how I actually wanted her to look as well. Yay. I think I'm done with her. I don't know. Anyway, you know the drill. Bye.